Innovation and convenience go hand in hand with Lincoln. An available wireless charging pad gives you the power to charge your smartphone without plugging it in. It's located inside the center console of your vehicle and allows you to charge a wide range of compatible devices, such as smartphones of various sizes with built-in wireless charging capability. It can also help maintain a full charge while streaming audio or making calls through your Sync 3 system. Simply set the phone on top of the pad and it automatically senses and begins charging the device. You'll get a message on your touchscreen indicating that charging has begun. Keep in mind, while iPhone 8 and 10 models are compatible with the charging pad, earlier versions require the use of a manufacturer-approved charging sleeve. One more thing you'll appreciate: you can charge your device even if the vehicle is not turned on, just as long as it's in accessory mode. We hope we've answered your questions. For more information, please visit owner.lincoln.com.